It's been 18 months since I kissed you once, so just saying hi just isn't gonna fly. But give me a clue in a minute or two, then I might remember your name. And I hate to insist that I was really that pissed. To tell the truth, in my flush of youth, I would drown my sight so the faces and nights seem the same. And a nervous shrug and an awkward hug won't get me out from the hole I've dug. So slip the noose with a poor excuse and talk to someone, anyone else. I sit with my friends and I try to pretend that I never did that sort of thing again. But I'm lying to myself. And suddenly, well, it's as clear can be. I'm not quite the perfect man that I hoped I'd be. And though I've always tried to live an honest life, to tell the truth, I've told my share of lies. I remember you, of course I do, but I don't recall how many times we've been through this little game that always ends the same, with you sad and me far away. And every time I repeat the line that the fault's not mine and I wasn't unkind, the worst part is that I've got nothing else to say. And suddenly, well, it's as clear can be. Not quite the perfect man that I hoped I'd be. And though I've always tried to live an honest life, to tell my truth, I've told my share of lies. And all the pretty little pictures of faith and firm devotion that I painted as a child, well, they have fallen by the wayside, along with all my puppy fat. But my days have taught me this, that every day I spend pretending I always choose the right path is the day that I'll choose the wrong. Oh yeah, my wisdom teeth have been giving me grief. They woke me up to find I'm exactly the kind of guy I said I'd rather be dead than to be in the days before I got laid. Yeah, suddenly, well, it's as clear can be. I'm not quite the perfect man that I hoped I'd be. And though I've always tried to live an honest life, to tell my truth, I've told my share of lies.